Hi, my name is Dr. Vivya Sequeira. I'm a prosthodontist and a clinical assistant professor at UNC Adams School of Dentistry in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. I would like to really talk about DenSureFit. I think it's a great reline product for removable dentures, including any acrylic partials as well. What I really like about this product is it's very easy to handle. It's a silicone-based product. It forms a very nice thin layer on the inside of the denture and the intaglio specifically, and it's super easy to to trim. It forms a nice smooth finish, and that really helps with our chair time. It saves us a lot of time chairside. Patients really like it, and because it's silicone based, it's a great product to do multiple things. You can reline your monolithic try-in dentures, especially if you're doing a lot of digital dentures just during the try-in phase, or even if you're waiting on the healing process to kind of finalize the dentures and try to go to your complete dentures eventually. So I think that's really great. What is also a really cool technology with this is you can also get these relines done on your regular prosthesis, your interim dentures, and you can scan these patients using a CBCT scanner to make your surgical guides for implants. So it works in a lot of different ways, and what's really good about it is it's the syringe that it comes in. It's a small syringe. There is just minimal use that you really want to focus on. Not a lot of wastage of material. It has a small mixing tip as well, so you're really being conservative with the amount of material you're using. I think patients really like it too because they know how to use it as well. So it's very diverse with with its usage. And I really like this product just because of all the good things that it offers.
And where can you find it?
So there is a website where you can order it online, and otherwise we'll definitely include a contact for you, so you can just order stuff for your clinic. But the reps are really nice. The company is really great, and I think you'll really enjoy working with them, just like I do. So I would also like to talk about the denture remove, which is this really cool solution that it comes along. What it does is it really helps if you've done your reline and you don't like how it is worked out for you and you want to redo it, or you just have an old reline and you need to get it out. It gets really messy with a lot of other relines where you're using an acrylic burr and getting it with an e-cutter. You're going to lose a lot of your denture as well. What I really like about this product is it has the DenSureFit remove, which is like this cool material that you can just apply on the interface of the reline and the intaglio of the denture. And the way you do that is they usually supply you with an instrument, which is like a miniature number 7 spatula, or you could just use a regular spatula. You're essentially making a little slit in your relined material, and what you're trying to do is access that interface between the reline and the intaglio of the denture, and then you apply your the remove, the solution in there, and it's just going to work its way through that interface and help you sort of debond that entire reline from the intaglio. So it's very clean and it's very easy to kind of do that. And you're just kind of working your way with the number 7 spatula, and it does really well. It gets it all off. You can do it, your patients can do it as well, and it just saves a lot of time.